Namaste, namaste, beloveds. I'm here with the swans, but this one is the strongest. He got all the breath. You know, swan. It is said we have to be like a swan. We have to take only honey out of dirty water and nothing else. Nothing else. Swan, hello. Making a video now. I won't feed you. Later maybe. So, welcome to another video of the art of the word that I am. We are here by the water. Just be water. And I want to give you word from the heart. Word of love. Always do what feels right to your heart. Never go against your heart. Always do what feels right in your heart. What feels right, you do it. What brings joy to your life, do that. I'm not doing anything else. I'm not doing anything else. It brings joy to me to be a teacher, to create classes through videos and through articles. And this is greatest joy for me. And to play my flute is greatest joy to me. To give you my love is greatest joy to me. It feels right to me. It feels, yes, this is what I'm here to do. Never go against your heart. Always do what is right in your heart, what feels right, what feels good, what brings joy to your heart. You know, people want so many things from me, and I had to master this. People want to speak in Messenger with me, they want me to be personal guide, advisor, or just to chat. Or people want me in my life to do things that I'm not here to do. And there's nothing wrong with these things. I say no to it. Because it's not your work. It's not, if it doesn't bring joy to your heart, if it doesn't feel good in your heart, if it feels energy depleting, and it feels like you are in time, that you just want to do it and then be done with it, and you are doing it for a wrong reason, and there are many wrong reasons. People may want something from you, but you have to understand one thing. You have to understand one thing. We are all unique and authentic. We are all different. We are all unique and authentic expressions of the source. And what feels right to you, what feels right to me is to be a teacher, to be an artist, to be a writer, to play my flute, to do these things. I'm not personal advisor. I'm not life coach. I'm not any of these things. I don't even open Messenger in my phone. And nothing is wrong with these things. People want from you to do things for them, which are good. These things are good. But if it doesn't feel right to you, if it feels like, oh, why I have to do this now? I don't want to do it. And then you do it because you don't want to be a bad person. You don't want to hurt them. But you are going against your heart. You are going against your unique divine nature. Whatever feels right to your heart, to serve whatever feels right in this way that feels right in your heart, and to do things in life that feels right, that brings joy to your heart. This is what you are here to do. Because if it doesn't bring joy to your heart and they want it, and it feels like this is not your work, but you are doing it, you have to understand something. You are going against your heart. You are going against who you are. You are going against your unique, individual, authentic nature. And you are not doing your work. You are doing work of another. You are doing work of another. And this is not your work. And you are doing something what somebody is here on earth designed from the heart to do in greatest joy and brings joy to their heart. Like I'm a teacher, a writer, brings joy to my heart. Somebody's personal guide, life coach, to guide you personally, brings joy to his heart. And if I would be doing that work, I would take the work from that person away. So I say to anyone who wants something from me, if I say something, I say where that I am on Facebook, I'm a teacher, it's classes, the answer is within you, you are welcome to my class, I write, I do videos, this is what I'm here to do, this is my purpose. But I'm not a personal guide, I'm not a personal advisor, I'm not a life coach, and if you will seek, you will sure find somebody for you who will do this in greatest joy, and this is their work. And this is how I say, because this is how it is. We are all unique and authentic, designed manifestation of the source. And there are so many services in this world to do. Somebody's teacher, somebody's healer, somebody's life coach, etc. Our unique service, our unique nature, and what brings joy to your heart, this is what you are here to do. And we are unique and different. Somebody else is here to do, designed from the heart to do, enjoy that what they want. Never go against your heart. Never go against your heart. You don't owe nothing to anyone. You only owe everything to your heart. And I'm always coming from the heart, and I'm giving you videos every day, writings almost every day, sometimes 2 videos every day, because it brings joy to my heart. Never do what others want. May nobody tell you this is not good for you. May nobody tell you what you should do in life. Or you follow your purpose from the heart and somebody will tell you this is not good for you, you know, you should be somebody else, you should be a healer. No, they are healers. This is who they are. They should be a healer, not you. You follow your heart. Like the swans are following their heart. They are following me. And ducks, I love them. Just follow your heart like the swans follow the flow of water. Because if you ever go against your heart, if you go against your heart, you go against your divine purpose that is in your heart. It is designed in your heart, and when it brings joy to your heart, when you are in a moment, when you feel that joy, then you are doing what you should do in this world. The time stops, you bring joy to your heart, you expand your heart, you want to do it more. The more you're doing it, more you want to do it. And this is the secret. It expands your heart. You are ascending, you are embodying your greatness, your divine service, your truth. If you follow your heart, you find the truth, and this is your truth. And I'm always following my heart. For 3.5 years now, I'm giving you videos every day. I'm writing every day, and I'm mastering myself. Because I am always in the flow of my heart, I'm always in the flow of the water of my heart. You know what happens. I'm always doing what Source put me on earth to do, to write, to teach, and I'm mastering my craft, and I am embodying more and more of a master spiritual teacher that I am, and you can feel this, and it brings joy to my heart. It expands. This is who I am. Whatever brings joy to your heart. You want to feed homeless, you want to write poetry, you want to write music, you want to sing, you want to teach, you want to heal, you want to personally guide and help somebody, you want to help animals. This is what you should do, what brings joy to your heart. Not what others tell you, not what your mind thinks that you should do to be secured and like this. It is in your heart. Whatever you bring joy to your heart is. And when you're doing this, your heart is to expand. You are to be expanding your heart, the embodying of your divine purpose, of your greatness, of your divine multidimensional self. You are mastering the master that you are from your heart if you always follow your joy. I mean joy of the heart, not the attachments of the mind and contradictions. But what brings joy to your heart, what brings peace to your heart, what say, yes, this you should do. And if you are not doing what brings joy to your heart, and you are going against your heart, not to hurt others, to please others, because you're a bad person if you don't do, or because they know better what you should do in life, and like this, you are in time. You are giving the keys to somebody else. If you do what somebody says you should do, you're going against yourself. You never find yourself. You will never find your purpose. You maybe have material success, but you will suffer in your heart because you know that you go against your heart. You have to go. And if others want from you the service which is not yours, which feels not right to you, and you do it, you are contracting, you are being sacrificed, you are doing something what goes against your heart contracts, you are not embodying your divine purpose, your divine self, but you are just waiting to be over, and you are doing your purpose when nobody else wants something else from you. That's why you are not working on your purpose. You are always going against your heart. You don't feel that joy. You are not embodying, you are not coming close to your purpose, not embodying your divine self. You are not rising to what source that I am you designed you to be in this earth, in your unique, divine, authentic nature. Because you don't want to be a bad person, because others have expectations from you, because others think that you owe them something. But I will tell you something, you don't owe nothing to no one. To no one you owe nothing. Somebody thinks you owe something to them, this is their problem. You owe only to your heart, to follow your heart. If you will go against the heart for any reason, doing things that are not in your heart, you are contracting yourself. You are contracting yourself. This train is long. You are contracting yourself, and it feels like this train. It feels exactly like this train. It feels wrong. I am sorry for the noise, but something is happening here. I don't know what they are doing. They should understand I'm doing a video, and they should stop messing up the city. These phones never go against their heart. They always follow their heart. They always follow their heart. Never go against your heart. Never. What is in your heart? If you go against your heart, you go against your divine purpose, against who you are in the heart. You are just being your false self and sacrifice. Never go against your heart. Follow your heart. If you go against your heart, you miss all your heavenly glory. You miss everything that soul designed you to be. All your greatness and greatest things and your greatest dream. What brings joy to your heart? If you follow what brings joy to your heart, you know what brings joy to your heart, you are to find your joy, you are to find yourself. But I don't mean in the mind, I mean in the heart. When you feel, yes, do this. Never go against your heart. Whatever others want, whatever your mind calculates and wants, whatever you think that you should do, if it goes against your heart, it doesn't bring joy to your heart. Never go against your heart. Because in the joy of your heart, you will ascend to the greatest master on earth, do greatest things, have greatest life. And me too. I can feel it in the air, in the joy of my heart. And it's the greatest joy of my heart to give you my word every day. Time stops, I'm giving you my love. Feel this. Feel joy of my heart. And then you'll be joyful. And do what brings joy to your heart. If somebody wants something, it brings joy to your heart. Yes, do it. Many want my videos, I do it, it brings joy to my heart. And you do what brings joy to your heart. And what doesn't bring joy to your heart, say, I'm sorry, this is not my work, this is not what I'm here to do. But I bless you and I love you. And and you will find somebody who is here to help you, because I cannot even help you. If I do what doesn't bring joy to you, it's not my work. Then you do 1% of your capacity and you are wasting 99% of your capacity, and somebody is out there who you are depriving from serving them from the heart and giving them 144% of their capacity, because it's coming joy of their heart and it's not your work. If you do what brings joy to your heart, you serve in this way, you do it in 144%, you can now really help them. You can now really give value and serve them, because it brings joy to your heart. It is your service. It is who you are. You find yourself. You are on the right path when you follow what brings joy to your heart. So never goes against your heart. Never go against what brings joy to your heart. And you'll miss all your heavenly glory, and you get only suffering. Being a sacrifice. Never go against your heart. Never go against joy of your heart. So see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching my videos. From the hard day coming to you, I never go against my heart. I am sorry for all the noise and everything. You know, I love you. Never go against your heart, even if it's noisy in the city. And if anybody feels like you want to support the art of the word that I am, you want to help and assist my work to go on, to expand, I'm telling you, without you who contribute, I would not be able to give one word that I am. And I'm so grateful for every single donation, for every single coin, and nothing is too small. Nothing is too small. It's love, and nothing is too big. I love you. And I know where I am. I know I'm heading to the service, my greatest service in the world. And those who assist me now, I'll never forget. Because without you, I would not be able to give one word that I am. I give you my word. I'm grateful. And may you reach your greatest version. Every one of you. You've given love. Every one of you. But whoever helps me, I appreciate it so much. Without you, I would not be able to give one word that I am. And thank you from the heart. And all my blessing, if there any blessing in my heart, it goes to you. Maybe you receive more than you give. God knows. You feel. And I do white light source energy work, healing on you. I don't talk about it, I don't say anything, but when I see a donation, I connect with your energy in same day or day after, and I balance your chakras, balance your energies. I clean out whatever needs to be cleaned out. I ground you, I fill you up with white light, healing, source light. It's quantum healing. You don't need appointment, you don't need anything. You will just feel better, and you will maybe not know why, or you will think of me. But I cannot help you. I can only do that service for you because I appreciate your gift so much, and I want to give you something as a gift. But if you are going against your heart after and doing what is not in your heart for the reasons in your mind, your fears, and what others want, the healing works 3-4 hours. You're going against your heart, you're depleting yourself, you are allowing others to consume your energy, and that's why healing, you heal yourself. Healers are only assistants, and teachers are we are only giving you the word. But if you implement the teachings and implement the teachings in your life, you can embody the truth that is spoken, word that I am. And I'm only an instrument, and I love you so much. And thank you for everybody who loves my videos, and thank you for everyone who loves, and thank you for everyone who supports my work. I love you. I'm a simple man, and I'm so grateful. I never forget anyone. Those who love, you know, and whoever is on my page is loving. Love. If there's opposition and violation and like this doesn't feel right in my heart, if I have to deal with this, I remove such people. But thank you for being love, and I give you my love, my joy of my heart. I give you my word. May you always follow the joy of your heart. Never go against your heart. And see you when the joy of my heart comes. And this is so soon. tomorrow, hopefully. Namaste, Guru Namaste. Much love and blessings.